Hi, good morning. Today we will see isometric views. So, isometric view will be developed from the given orthographic views. So, we will see the problem. This is a problem which is asked by one of the student. Top view of an object are shown in the figure below. Draw the isometric view of the object. So, all the dimensions are given. So, first we need to analyze the dimensions of the object. So, what is the first step will be, first we need to draw the isometric views. Isometric axis we need to draw. Three axes will be there, no? That axis we need to represent. Second point is draw the front view of the draw the front view draw the front view of draw the isometric view of front view. Draw the isometric view of front view correlating with the top view. Third one is draw the isometric view of isometric view of isometric view of top view correlating with the front view. By correlating with the front view, we need to draw the top view of the isometric view. So let us starting point will be this point. Starting point is this one. Here also the starting point will be this one. The starting point will be this one. The starting point will be this one. So you draw a horizontal line, a vertical line. The starting point will be this one. We need to draw. You need to take three axes. That is vertical axis of isometric view. This right side 30 degrees line. This side left side 30 degrees axis line. Like this, we need to draw the initially axis. So on this axis now we need to find. We need to draw the first. This side now we need to draw the front view correlating with the top view and the side views. So let us go to the solution now. So this is a solution. So this is a starting point O. So at this point you draw vertical axis. So at this point you draw 30 degrees line. This is 30 degrees line. At this point you draw 30 degrees axis line. So here now on 30 degrees axis line you measure in the front view, the dimension is given as 75. So you measure 75 here. So this is 75 and height is given as 12. You measure this height parallel to this axis. This is 12. This is 75. This is 12. So this one is parallel to the vertical axis. So here also you measure 12. So you complete this rectangle. So this side now you measure the length will be. This side you measure the length will be 38. This side you measure the length will be 38. So at the end of this one you measure vertical. You draw vertical line parallel to vertical axis. So this line is parallel to this axis, vertical axis. So all the sides are parallel to any one of the axes. So at this corner now you draw a line parallel to this axis, parallel to this axis. So this is 30 degrees line. So parallel to one of the axes. So like this you will get. So at this end now you draw 30 degrees line parallel to this axis. So like this we need to construct the this is hatched portion you will get. Also you will get a hatched portion like this. Okay. So now we completed the isometric of the rectangle box. So as per the dimensions we are doing the once again isometric of the given object. So here now the edges will be trimmed. So the dimensions are given. This side the length is given as 11. This is given as 11. And this side the length is given as this side also it is 11. Sorry, this side no. This side also 11 it is. this side also 11. So from this corner you measure 11. So from this corner you measure 11. So from this corner you measure 11. You complete the trimming portion. So for trimming portion I will use one more color so that you can clearly understand trimming portion. So from this we are measuring 11. So from this we are measuring 11, and similarly from this point you are measuring 11 on this axis, and from this point we are measuring 11 on this axis, and thereby we are trimming the solid like this, trimming the solid like this. Okay, next portion is this side also. You measure from this corner you measure 11. So from this corner you measure 11. So you join those points, you join those, sorry, you join this point, this portion, you join this portion. Similarly, from this, no, this corner, no, it is not visible. So from this corner you measure 11. So you will get this point. So you draw a line vertical parallel to vertical axis. So like this you finish the trimming portion of the solid. So like this you will get the trimming portion of the solid. So trimming portion of the solid like this you will get. Similarly this side also like this you will get. Okay, so once you completed this portion, then you go to the removal of the part. Here the part is removed, sir. This part, no, the dimensions are given. So this one is at a distance of 11. So at this distance, no, 11, you draw one line, dotted line, so that the dimension is given. That is given as what is that? This dimension is given as 8 plus 22 plus 8 plus 22. That means this is 30 and this is 30. So from that end, no, you draw from this axis, no, total it will be 75. In 75, so this is 22 plus 8, 30. This 22 8 plus 30, that means 60, means you'll get 15. So from this point you measure from this point, once again from this point you measure 15 mm, you will get this point. So at this point you measure 22, you measure 22, so you will get this line, you will get this line. Next one is this width is given as 16, this distance is 16, so parallel to this axis. Here, no, you draw parallel to this axis, you do 22 once again. Here this is 16, so you complete this rectangular portion. Next one is at this point you draw vertical line and depth will be 12, depth will be 12. So next thing is you draw one vertical axis like this, you draw one this incline 30 degrees line like this. So you will get this isometric view of the given portion. Next thing is for this solid, no, for this solid, and this is a projected view. So here no dimensions are given. So if you measure this distance, at this distance, no, you will get 8. So you will get this point, you will get this point. Here you need to measure 16. This length is given as this length is given as 22. This length is given as 22. You draw a line like 22 here, 22. Next thing is this one also 22. Width also 22. Width also 22. You measure 22 here. So each corner you height is there 15. Each corner height is there 15. You measure 15 here. You measure 15 here. You measure here also 22. No, at this corner you measure 20. What is the height? 15. No. So join those ends in a sequential order. Draw a line parallel to one of the axis. Draw a line parallel to this axis. Draw parallel to right side axis. Draw a line parallel to one of the axis. So like this we are finishing the isometric view of the given from the given orthographic views. So I hope you understand this problem. Thank you for watching the video. For more videos you can subscribe my channel at the bottom corner of the video right side. Thank you once again. Thank you.